pride, there's nowhere to hide. What would you decide when it's on the line? If it's do or die, would you compromise? Or would you stand through the storm and roll with the tide? Would you be the one to fight or the one to hide? You can never touch the sky if you don't try to fly. So unbreakable.
Hello, my name is Veer. I'm from team Aerovolt and we are currently making our pin display and assembling it right now. We are all very excited to be in this competition and we are ready to get that trophy. Strength of our team is teamwork and hard work. We are very passionate about this project and let's just give it our best out.
No, we be on it. Really, we be on it. Working hard cause my opponents, I won't let them get a moment. I ain't flexing, I ain't bragging, I ain't boasting. But when it come to greatness, man, I swear that we the closest. All it took was hard work. Life give you a hand, better make them cars work. Now we pressing buttons just to make the cars work. Took a little time, but it paid.
Hi, I'm Aerovolt. I'm the team manager of Veltrix. Right now, we are creating our pit display. We have applied the panel to the boards and we have applied the banner to the table. Now we are setting up our table with our merchandise.
Would you be the one to fight or the one to hide? You can never touch the sky if you don't try to fly. Rocky roads, but we stayed unshakable. Been through it all and we still unbreakable.
Our strength of our team is unity. We all work together in a team and coordinate and communicate very easily and effectively, so we get our work done easily and properly. Our car is very lightweight, so it reduces the time, and our car is also inspired by a lot of fast animals like the manta, cheetah and also trains.
Start, now it's time to show. Say you working hard, well let's work some more. Say you on your job, time to let them know that you can't be stopped. You will not flop, give it all that you got, so you stay at the top.